key to success? Who wants to find this key to success or create this key to success? In that case, you must know how to powerfully communicate your business value. Okay. Ask powerful questions. You must get personal clarity on how to position yourself in this competitive marketplace. You must identify your growth blockers and what are the next immediate action steps you need to take now. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Khalilji. Right? Right? Then asking, unless you ask right questions, you will not find right answers. Right? So how to create high converting, sellable, profit-making content. How to make your content relevant. These are some of the questions you have to ask. How to generate leads organically, consistently, continually, okay, with right strategies. How to structure your content, the funnel system, okay, how to make it, because the revenue model of knowledge business is, okay, is you must get repeat sales from your existing customers. There has to be an upsell after upsell. That is the revenue model. When somebody says, what is your business model? They're simply asking, how will you make money? In the knowledge business, okay, keeping on acquiring new leads. That is why generating leads is your challenge, because you are focused on acquiring new leads. The cost to acquire a new lead is much higher than the cost to retain your existing customers. So it is very important that there is an upsell built in for your existing customer, and you have to structure that in your content, in your courses, within the form of lead magnet, tripwire, core product, profit maximizer. This is a conversion strategy. This is a monetization strategy, which I covered in my KDM foundation course, which I have given you. At that level, there is always a deeper level. Okay. And the KDM foundation I have given you helicopter view of the complete business model. But if you like to go more deep, okay, and win before you begin, then I invite you to work with me very closely. Okay. Ask this question: are you in the right environment for your growth? How can you do this without having to spend a fortune? Look at my investments in myself. You get all of that. You don't have to go and sign up for high-ticket programs, right? How can you do all this all by yourself, or do you need a support system? Do you need a mentor guide to handhold you? Right? Ask these powerful questions. Only then you will find this answer, because by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. And I don't want you to see there. I don't want you to be there, right? So stop thinking and start taking actions. If you have not completed the course which has been given to you, go ahead and complete that. And if you think if you are not able to complete that, then all the more you need help, because you don't have time to do it yourself. Even something which is already available with you, then you need step-by-step, structured, sequential hand holding, so that you can, every step you are taking is moving you closer towards the success you desire. So how many of you are now ready to create your knowledge business online along with me?